Hey, what's up? My name is John Vaughn, and I'm the founder of the software development firm Tier 5. And we are the company that is bringing you Engagement Monster. Now, look, I've been doing organic marketing on Facebook for over 20 months now and making over $50,000 a month consistently every single month. And what I've done is figured out exactly all the things that I do on social media. I've even put together training courses and trained hundreds of people how to do the same thing. And all along the way, I've had my company build software for me to help me scale and help me more than I would physically be able to do on my own manually. I've built so many softwares. If you don't know me, you can search Tier 5, you can look on the internet, and you can see we have a track record over 5 years. We've been building enterprise level software for our clients, and now our own SaaS software for the last 2 years we've been building. So we have a track record of launching amazing supported software. We have over 50 full-time in-house employees that work at our company that support our software, that are always building it, and we're bringing you the next best thing called Engagement Monster. Now, Engagement Monster 1.0 is very, very close to launching to the public. I've been using it now myself for about a month to actually help me boost my engagement and get more eyes on me, get more eyes on my profile, more eyes on my offers, more people into my funnel, and more people on my customer list becoming paying customers. So let me just briefly tell you how Engagement Monster 1.0 works. And I'm calling it 1.0 because 1.0 is really, really close to being launched to the public. And right after 1.0, we're actually working on building an even better version 2.0. But I've been using 1.0, and as I've been using 1.0, I've been coming up with a whole list of things that I know we can do better. I know that if we implement these other features and functionalities, it will make this software even better. But even 1.0 has helped me massively, and pretty soon, not long from now, we're going to release it to the public where it can actually help you as well. So let me tell you about Engagement Monster 1.0, what it does. So what Engagement Monster 1.0 does is essentially prime your Facebook friends list. It primes your audience. So if you don't know anything about the Facebook algorithm, Facebook likes to see two-way interaction between people. So the more you actually interact with your friends and their posts, and the more Facebook is going to show you their stuff, but the more Facebook is also going to show them their stuff. The more Facebook is also going to show them your stuff. So it's a two-way thing. You see, it's a two-way thing. I'm actually so tired right now, guys. I'm actually at the Dallas airport in Dallas Fort Worth at the hotel, about to go to sleep because I'm on a layover waiting for my plane to fly back to India. I've been away from my wife for like 8 months now due to Corona, been locked down in the US, and they finally opened up international travel. So I'm about to go, and I'm so excited about this. I just figured, at my hotel room, I figured here at my hotel room, I would actually, build this funnel and make this video because I'm so excited about the Engagement Monster launch because it's been helping me so much. So like I said, what Engagement Monster will do is allow you to essentially go in and create a bunch of post neutral comments. And if you don't know what this is, I'm offering you a training. I'm actually giving you the option to get a full training that people have paid me $5,000 for a really low fee on this page as well. But I'll give you a full training on what engagement neutral posts are. But to give you a gist of it, like for me, an engagement neutral post is a heart. An engagement neutral post is like 3 fire emojis. An engagement neutral post is like, hey, thanks for being on my friends list, or hey, thanks for posting this. Because these are comments that you can put on any post, and they're relative to any post. All right. So it allows you to come up with the whole list of engagement neutral posts, and it will literally just go down your Facebook feed to everybody that's posted, and it will leave a reaction, and it will tag the person, and it will leave one of these engagement neutral posts as a comment. It will leave one of them as a comment on their post. And what you'll see will happen is now these people, they will go in and reply to you. And when they reply to your comment, they'll tag you, And whenever somebody tags you, they're literally essentially writing your name. They're saying your name, which is a very, very powerful subconscious sales mechanism, because now you're on their mind. Now you become top of mind for them. So anyways, they'll see your comment. They'll see your reaction on their post. They'll see your comment on their post. And the average person, what they'll do, they'll go hit the reply button and they'll tag you. And they'll reply to your comment, hey, thanks for commenting on here, or, whatever comment that they want. Now what you're doing is you're literally priming them, because Facebook is now seeing this two-way engagement between you. So now Facebook is starting to see this two-way engagement between you guys, and Facebook now starts to show them more of your post. What does that mean? That means their eyes are on your post. Their eyes see your lead generation post. Their eyes see your offer post. More and more people now begin to see your post. Not only that, but what I've noticed that happens is people will message me once I comment, and they'll literally message me, hey, thanks for commenting on my post. That opens up a dialogue. That opens up a conversation where you can now build a relationship and tell them about your products and services. I've also noticed that people will actually, once I comment on their post, they will come to my Facebook page. They'll come to my page and come check me out. And how do I know? Because within minutes of commenting on their post and them replying on my post, I will see notification after notification where they liked my post. They commented on my post. They liked another one of my posts. They commented on another one of my posts. They liked another one of my posts. They commented on another one of my posts. How am I getting all those notifications? Because now they've literally came to my Facebook page, which is a funnel, and they've started scrolling down my page and they started seeing all my posts. So this Engagement Monster software is something that you can run while you sleep, and it is something that will literally massage the Facebook algorithm. It will freaking prime. Sorry, I didn't mean to say freaking. What I really meant to say is fucking. I meant to say it will fucking prime the fucking shit out of your audience. It will get your audience to the point where they are more and more people are seeing your post. And if you don't see the value in that, then you're probably not doing a lot of lead generation. You're probably not doing a lot of marketing on Facebook. And if that's you and you're like, what the fuck is this guy talking about? Well, then I encourage you, at the bottom, you'll see a little box that says something like teach me your Jedi ways or something. It's $27 for a course that my initial students literally paid me $5K to go in each. They paid me $5K each to go in and make this course for them. All right. Now I made it with them personally. I gave them personal attention. And after I made it, I turned it into a very low ticket offer so that you guys can actually literally learn how to turn your Facebook profiles into fucking lead generation and sales machines. And you don't want to do everything manually. You want to be able to automate as much as you can. And if you don't want to automate, if you're like, you know what, that's slimy, that's sleazy, then by all means, don't get the software. But all I'm doing is building software for myself. At the end of the day, look, if you guys buy my software, trust me, I do appreciate it. I do love you guys. I do really appreciate the support, and we take care of you. We support you. We make sure the software always works for you. But I don't need to take this the wrong way. If you don't buy my software, I really don't give a fuck, because I don't build it for you. I build the software for me myself to help me scale my multi-million-dollar company. And then I let you guys use it because I know it will work for you, because it works for me, because I build it to actually work for me. So if you want to take your lead generation and sales to the next level, if you want to prime your audience, if you want more of your Facebook friends and their friends seeing your post so that you can begin to actually provide value, and they can actually see the value that you're providing. They can see your lead generation posts. They can see your actual offers. If you want Facebook to force them to see your stuff, you need two-way engagement, and Engagement Monster will do it for you on autopilot and still allow you to keep a human touch. So that's what 1.0 does. 2.0 is going to come shortly after we launch. I told you I'm freaking tired. Shortly after we launch 1.0, and there's just going to be a lot more modifications, a lot more smarter ways that Engagement Monster is actually working for you based on what I found already, based on me using it already and things that I wanted modified. But I didn't want to wait because it's already working, and it does work, and it will work for you. But 2.0, we're just going to make it even better because I have a list of things that I know will be better. And I'll update this video later after we launch 1.0, which is coming really, really soon. All right, so 1.0 launch is coming really, really soon. We're doing pre-sales right now. The software is not launched yet, so you're gonna have to wait to get it. But like I said, it's coming really, really soon. It's gonna be launched sometime next month. You know, within 30 days, it's going to be launched. And because of that, we're having a huge sale, huge discounted prices. You can check that out below. You really want to get it. If you don't get it, that's okay. We can still be friends.